Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on this Mary Kay Lifting BioCellulose face mask, and it's a sheet mask. I love sheet masks. They're super easy. You just put them on, relax, and take them back off. So this little mask is definitely pricey, but if it does what it says it does, then it is worth it. So it says, time-wise repair lifting BioCellulose mask visibly lifts and firms your skin and leaves it looking younger in just 2 weeks. Skin is visibly more radiant, soft, and smooth after one single use. Plus, it is clinically shown to increase skin's moisture levels for 24 hours. So how does it work? BioCellulose is derived from coconut water with interlocking fibers that enable it to be infused with a complex of beneficial ingredients. Used twice a week, this pampering mask is an uplifting experience that can act like a beauty boost to deliver visible results. For maximum benefits, use the mask twice a week. So I am only going to use it once just because it does claim to give you visible results after one use, and I'll come back and show you guys if I see the benefits or not. I am 30 years old, so I have started using some anti-aging benefiting, how do you say, skincare. So I mean, I could benefit from some anti-aging face masks, and it does say that it's very hydrating and it increased your skin's moisture for 24 hours. I definitely need that. I have just washed my face and my face is so dry. So let's see how it works.
Predictable, trying to forget about typical, predictable, ordinary things. Typical, predictable, trying to forget about. Maybe I knew the end before we start. Typical, predictable, trying to forget about. You got me feeling like the old you something. What about me? Baby, please. What about me? Baby, please. What about me? Baby, please. What about me?
So I've had this mask on for 30 minutes and it's still it's not dry, it's still nice and moist. And as you saw, I did take some of the excess serum that was in here, because usually sheet masks will have extra serum in the packet, and I added it to my neck and just massaged it in, just because we always do stuff to our face like face masks and then we forget about our necks, and you will start seeing signs of aging right around here and your chest too. So I added all right here and just massaged it, and I try to remember it as much as I can. Obviously I'm still kind of young, only 30, but you will start seeing aging signs right here. So always try and think about your neck and your chest area when you're doing something for anti-aging benefits, you know. So I've left it on for 30 minutes and it's still nice and moist.
What about me? Baby, please. What about me? Baby, please. What about me?
So it just says to massage the excess. You see I have excess serum on my skin, and it just says to massage it in. Do not rinse it off. Obviously I feel like this is good to do when you're going to bed. And I've done face masks like this. You will wake up in the morning and your skin will be glowing. I'm just gonna pat it in and massage that into my skin. Now my skin feels really soft and hydrated. I just brought you over here to the natural light because it's going down, and I wanted you to see my skin with natural light. Just look at that. Now we're back in the harsher light, and you can see just my skin feels amazing right now. So, and obviously I don't have a whole bunch of wrinkles that I can see if it actually like tightens and lifts, but I do feel a difference in my skin right now. So I would say it's definitely worth a try if this is something you're looking for. The link to this mask is going to be down below in the description box, so you guys can check out this mask for yourself. So for a 4-pack of these masks, it is $70. Would use it about once a week. So a 4-pack, that's a whole month's worth for $70. That's not bad actually. And your skin, and I do think that it's worth it because just the one use that I did for 30 minutes, my skin feels super moisturized and a lot firmer than it was before. Like, look at that. I don't know if you could tell through the camera, but so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Check the description box down below so you could check out the mask for yourself. If you did try it or if you have tried it in the past, let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye guys. See you in my next video.